how to extract disputes. First, be sure that you have your data here in the left part of the screen. Also, previously you might have selected the user. Let's say that is user 1. Then you click on credit repair here, and then you're gonna click on extract. Once here, we're gonna select the credit report provider from these 4: Identity Q, Privacy Guard, Smart Credit, or Pro Credit. If you don't have a monitoring service yet, you can click on this one and get a trial for $1. Then you're gonna enter the username, the password, the last 4 digits of your social. Verify that you don't have any spaces before or after the username, password, or the last 4 digits of the social, and then you're gonna click this button. And it's that simple. In a few seconds, if the login information is correct, it will extract all the disputes. The next step is to click in the credit repair advanced area, and from there you're gonna process the letters. You will have another hands-on training button in this area, so you can continue over there. Thanks.